7 amazing smoothies to clean your arteries and control high blood pressure. The smoothie craze is unlikely to die down anytime soon. Some claim that these magic liquids help them lose weight, get a slimmer waistline. Some claim that smoothies do miracles to detox the body. Smoothies contain pulp and fiber of the fruits and vegetables, and so they help you improve the performance of your digestive tract for sure. However, today we will discuss a different useful feature of smoothies. Apart from weight loss, smoothies can also help you improve your heart health. When you consume too much fat and processed food, rich with salt and sugar, it gradually clogs your arteries, leaving little to no space for blood to pass through. Such buildup of plaques leads to heart attacks and strokes. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide. In 2019, 1/3 of all deaths worldwide were attributed to heart diseases. Today in our video, we will discuss the recipes of some smoothies that are rich in fibers, antioxidants, omega-3 acids, and these all naturally help you reduce cholesterol levels and unclog your arteries. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end. Number 1. Strawberries with blueberries and chia seeds. Strawberries increase HDL, aka the good cholesterol in your blood, and lower your blood pressure. On the other hand, antioxidants in blueberries work to reduce the buildup of bad LDL cholesterol in artery walls that contribute to cardiovascular disease and stroke. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can reduce your risk of heart disease. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of strawberries, half a cup of blueberries, 250 milliliters of milk, better if you can use almond or walnut milk, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves. First of all, neatly wash the strawberries and blueberries. Cut the fruits in half, put them in the blender, and pour in the milk. Then add the chia seeds. Blend all of these for a few minutes and you will get your magic potion with a delicious and creamy texture. Drink it without any delay. For your eye's sake, you can decorate the smoothie with mint leaves. It will also add to the flavor. Number 2. Melons and grapes. Grapes contain a lot of polyphenols, which help prevent heart diseases. Melons are also rich in a certain type of amino acid that help blood circulation and lower blood pressure. For this recipe, you will need a half cup of melons, which you should peel first, and then cut into cubes. Then you need 1/4 cup of green grapes, which should be washed and cut in halves. Throw all of these in a blender. Add 125 milliliters of water and blend the ingredients well. Afterwards, decorate the mixture with mint leaves. Number 3. Cabbages with carrots and parsley. First of all, high polyphenol content in cabbage might also reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Antioxidants in carrots help fight damage from free radicals, thus helping to fight off heart disease. Parsley is high in nitrates that help dilate blood vessels, which improves blood flow and lowers high blood pressure. All the items of this smoothie help your body prevent atherosclerosis. They also help you avoid formation of blood clots inside your heart. Wash a half cup or around 30 grams of kale. You will also need 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and also a half cup of carrots. Wash all of these ingredients. Use only the leaves of the parsley, not the stem. Peel the carrots and cut them into cubes. Put the cabbage, parsley, and carrots all in a blender and add some water if necessary. Blend it for a few minutes and later check if the items have mixed properly. It is best to drink this smoothie in the early hours of the day. Number 4. Broccoli, tomatoes, and celery. Being rich in fibers, broccolis help you reduce risk factors of heart diseases and also prevent heart tissue damage. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and help lower bad cholesterol, popularly known as LDL. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of celery make it an ideal food for patients with high cholesterol levels and blood pressure. For this smoothie, we need 150 grams of broccoli. Remove the stems, as we will need only the flowers. Cut 2 tomatoes into cubes, chop 1/2 cup of celery sticks. Make sure all these items are washed properly beforehand. Throw them all in a blender. Add some water and some garlic cloves. For best result, Drink the smoothie every morning. Number 5. Carrot and radish. Radishes contain a lot of antioxidants and minerals such as calcium and potassium. These items help reduce blood pressure and avoid risks of heart disease. The recipe for this smoothie is simple. First of all, take 1 cup of carrots and slice them pretty good. Then you need to slice the radishes. Make sure that you remove the roots and leaves and wash the items properly. Throw them in a blender and add 250 milliliters of water. Blend them well until you get a uniform color of mixture. Number 6. Pear and spinach smoothie. Spinach is often considered as heart-healthy superfood. Pears also belong to pro-heart food items. In a smoothie, both of these items give your cardiovascular health a long-needed boost. First of all, remove the seeds of the pears and cut them into cubes. Next, wash the spinach and chop them. Use only the leaves and cut off the stems. Blend the spinach leaves and pear well until you get a uniform color. Drink it without delay for full benefit. Number 7. Carrots and apples. Carrots and apples make an awesome combo that your taste buds and heart will like equally. For ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of carrots, a half cup of red apples, 1 cup of green grapes, and a half cup of oranges. Peel the apples and chop it into pieces. Carrots should be washed and cut into cubes. Wash the grapes and remove the seeds. Next, peel the oranges, cut them into wedges, and remove the seeds as well. Throw these items into a blender. You can also add some ice cubes to get a cool feeling. For a better result, drink this magic potion in an empty stomach 3 times a week. Last but not least. So, smoothies have made breakfast fun again for many people. However, when you are doing smoothies on a regular basis, you must keep some basic rules in mind. The greener the smoothie, the better it is for your health. Smoothies made from green veggies are rich in nitrates and can help you lower your blood pressure as well as dilate your blood vessels. Always make sure to wash all the ingredients properly beforehand. They may contain some microbes that do more harm than good to your body. Besides, smoothies are no alternative to a regular meal. And smoothie-endorsing celebrities are not certified doctors either. At its best, smoothies can be considered only as a complement to your regular diet. If you are having smoothies with added sugar, it can spike your blood sugar level. Moreover, the insoluble fiber and textures of fruits and vegetables help you cleanse your teeth. When you get these items only through smoothies, you're not helping your oral health that much. We hope you consider the pros and cons of smoothie culture and make an informed decision. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.